Okay, guys, there's a super cool announcement happening. Today, we are going to launch a rocket ship. Spaceman is in place. Let's see if he can launch to space on his rocket ship. 3, 2, 1. Lala, why are you coughing? Well, I think you know why. It's getting smoky in here. Wow. Who's coming next? Whoa, guys, what's happening? Everything's going wrong. It's so smoky. Do you know how to stop this? No. Me neither. Whoa! Wait a second. Why aren't I flying? Oh yeah, because I'm made out of silver. Whoa! No! Ah! Help us! Help us! Ah! I heard someone needs help. I'll get out of here. What do you need help for, guys? Whoa, it's smoky in here. Whoa! Whoa! Oh no, guys! Where did everybody go? I don't know, but it's just us left. Where did Silver